Before we begin roughing out the exterior of the bowl, I want to talk to you about safety. Wood turning can be dangerous, and it's important for you to observe safety procedures. Before you operate anything in the shop, make sure that you understand and have read the owner's manuals, and you can exercise good safety procedures. When I turn, I always make sure that I'm not wearing loose clothing, and I don't have any jewelry that could hang from my neck or my wrist that would get caught in the material as it's turning, because that can cause a serious injury. You'll notice I wear a glove on my left hand, but the fingers are cut off, and that's so that the fingertips don't get caught in the spinning material. But I wear the glove because the shavings will hit this part of my hand and it'll hurt. You'll also see that I wear a smock, and I'll be wearing a turning face shield whenever I work, and never work in my shop without my safety glasses.